Good morning, grade 2. Our lesson for today is about the degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison is an adjective used to change in form when we make a comparison. Every adjective can be written in one of three degrees. They are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree tells us about the existence of a quality. Examples: the dress is red. The shoes is pink. They are beautiful. The adjectives red, pink, and beautiful are in the positive degree. Next is comparative degree. A comparative degree compares two things to show which has the lesser or greater degree of the quality. Example: the red dress is more beautiful than the pink shoes. In the comparative degree, we can also use the as plus adjective plus as form. Example: my red dress is as beautiful as yours. Next is the superlative degree. The superlative degree compares more than two things to show which has the least or greatest degree of the quality. We also add est or most to the adjective to form this kind. Example: my hair is as long as yours, but Maria's hair is the longest. Hers is most difficult to comb. Some adjectives totally change in form when used for comparison. Here are some of the most used words in the positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. The positive degree: good, better, best. The bad: worse, worst. Little, less, least. Remember that less and least used for comparison of things with less quality. Example: our contestants are less lucky than those from St. Beatrice Academy Incorporated. Thank you, grade 2, for listening, and God bless you. See you again next time.